Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Taurus, if you like this reading and if this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, and I'll be sharing her link in the description below so you can contact her. So Taurus, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. First, so we have Five of Swords, Hierophant in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationships, you are going through a lot of difficulties, conflicts. Maybe you try to be really good. You're concerned about your welfare and the welfare of people around you. But you need to make some important choices, and these are difficult choices, and you feel that in your circumstances everyone is working against you. So a lot of competition may be there regarding some projects, some assignments, whatever it may be, your work related decisions. So you're going through a lot, and you need to be really skilled, and you need a lot of concentration to overcome the troubles you are seeing in your circumstances. And you are a person with a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge, a good understanding. Maybe in this relationship, you know what is the reason, the way this person is behaving or talking. You have a clear understanding, and you know what makes this person do this or do that. So you are a wise person, a knowledgeable person, and maybe you are a very kind soul that may work against you. Maybe some people, they may take you for granted because of your kindness and compassion. So the way you are concerned, the way you help people, that may work against you. People may take you for granted. So you need to associate yourself with those people who respect you and love you truly, and with whom you feel that genuine relationship, Taurus. And maybe you have a lot of dreams and plans for this relationship, for your future. You're planning something. But if you want these plans to happen in reality, maybe you should voice out. You should talk about these plans, or you should talk about these wishes you have to this person you love. That may take shape. You should make the first move, Taurus. This may be the time for you to make the first move instead of just just remain dreaming. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Three of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe if you are in a separation, if you're away from your person, maybe your past person, they are coming to visit you, or they are what to say, they are planning to see you, or you may see them as a coincidence, something like that. So there is some kind of a meeting with this past person coming up. But if you are already in a relationship, there may be someone distracting the person you love. Maybe it may be a third party involved in your relationship. So some kind of confusions are there in this connection, something that is holding you back from making that first step towards committed relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career, Taurus. We have picked one card. It is the Sun. So things are going as expected. You are seeing a lot of opportunities, and these opportunities are something taking you towards a greater potential in work and towards success in your life, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today, and there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow and the troubles it can lift from you and the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you, and the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The Day Boy and the Night Girl. Balance. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So, whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance because only then we will be becoming that whole person. So sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life. And there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about. And that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.